أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome back to another video. We are learning the long sign and we have learned the first three long sign which are called the long harakat. And long harakat are standing fatha, standing kasra and inverted dhamma. Today we are going to learn about the next three long signs. These are called Maddah letters. So Maddah letters are also three. Alif Madda, Waw Madda, Ya Madda. Some people are called it like Alif Madd, Waw Madd, Ya Madd or Ya Madd, whatever you can say. But the basic purpose is to understand them. This is a bit tricky, but if you will try to understand that this is very easy. Like standing fatha sound is A, so same here the Alif Madda sound is A. Inverted Dhamma sound is U, so the Waw Madda sound is U. Standing Kasra sound is E and the Ya Madda sound is also E. The very first thing you have to remember that if there is a Fatha before the Alif, no matter what is the letter, it may be Dal, Zal, Za, Ba, any of the letter, any of the Arabic letter. So if there is Fatha before the Alif, that is called Alif Madda. Like this one is Alif and Fatha is before the Alif. So this one will be called Alif Madda. The second is Waw Madda. If there is Dhamma before the Waw Sakin or Waw silent, a silent letter is called when there is a Jazam on, or Sukun on that. So when there is Dhamma before the Waw, so that is Waw Madda. Like this one is Waw and Dhamma is before the Waw. So that will be Waw Madda. And the last one is Ya Madda when there is Kasra before the Ya silent. That is called Ya Madda. Alif Madda is when there is Fatha before Alif. Waw Madda is when there is Dhamma before Waw silent. And Ya Madda is when there is Kasra before Ya silent. Now we will try to read this one. First we will read the letters, both letters, then its sound, then its sign. Like Ba, Alif, Fatha, Ba, Ba, Waw, Dhamma, Bu, Ba, Ya, Kasra, Bi. The sound will be Ba, Bu, Bi. This one, Dal, Alif, Fatha, Da, Dal, Waw, Dhamma, Du, Dal, Ya, Kasra, Di, Da, Du, Di. Now, Za, Zu, Zi, Ta, Tu, Ti. Same here. Ha, Hu, He. This one will be like Ka, Ku, Ki. This one. Sha, Shu, Shi, Va, Vu, Vi, A, U, E. I hope you understand all the long signs. I told you before there are six long signs. Standing Fatha, standing Kasra, inverted Dhamma, Alif Madda, Waw Madda, Ya Madda. If you have any kind of question, you can let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want to learn the Quran with us, our contact number is on the screen. You can contact directly with us or drop a comment. We will contact you inshallah. Till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.